Hello, this is a short video presentation on factoring when the leading coefficient is neither prime nor 1. So the first thing we have to do, and this is really very similar to what we did before, first thing that we have to do is look for factors of the leading coefficient. My leading coefficient is 6, so the factors are 6 and 1 or 2 and 3. That means when I factor this, I can have either 6x here and x here, or I can have 2x and 3x. I don't know which one, so I have to try more combinations. Because this is a minus, this is a plus, we're minus and minus, and now we have to look for factors of the constant, just like before. 30 and 1, 15 and 2, and I can't cut that in half, but I can multiply by 3. 6 and 5, and I can divide that by 3, and I get 2 and 15. And now I start trying my different combinations. All right, trying to get minus 29. I know I can't put the 30 here because there's a common factor of 6, but I could try it here, and the 1 here. Minus 180, that's not going to work. So cross those, erase those. Now I'm going to try the 15. Can't put the 15 here because there's a common factor there, but I can put it here. 15 and 2, minus 90 minus 2, not going to work. Cross that off. 15 and 6. I can't put the 15 here because there's a common, I'm sorry, it's not 15, it's 5 and 6. I can put the 5 here. I can put the 6 here. Minus 36, minus 5, minus 41. Not that far off, but that doesn't work. And I can't put the 6 over here because of my common factor. So all I have left is 15 and 2. 15 can't go here because of my common factor, but it can go here. 15 and 2. Minus 90 minus 2, and not going to work. So I know 6 and 1 doesn't work. So erase the 6 and erase these guys. And instead, I'm going to try 2x and 3x. Now, this is some ways a lot easier. I can't use the 30 here because I have a common factor of 2. I can't use the 30 here, common factor of 3. Cross it off. I can use the 15 here, and I can use the 2 here. Minus 45 minus 4. No, that's not going to work. But I can put the, I can't put the 2 over here because I have a common factor. So I've exhausted that. I can put the 5 here, but I can't put the 6 here. But I could put the 5 here and put the 6 here. Minus 18, minus 10, minus 28. Pretty close. That doesn't work. I'm running out of options. And you know what? I missed a set of factors. 10 and 3. Let's see, I tried the 15 here, and that didn't work. I can't put the 15 here because I have a common factor of 3. I can't put the 2 here because of there, so that's gone. and I think 5. Did I try the 5 and the 6? I don't remember. Let's do the 10 and the 3. 10 can't go here because of common factor, but I can put it here, and the 3 here. Minus 20, minus 9, minus 29. I've got my answer. So it's just a matter of writing down all the possibilities and checking them. It's really not that complicated. Time consuming, yes. But if you write down your possibilities and don't miss any like I did here, you're good to go. All right, let's do one more. This one is going to go a little bit quicker. First of all, as always, find your greatest common factor, which is 6x. So I bring out that common factor, and then we factor, as always, 10x squared minus 3x minus 12, 42, 7 minus 27x. And then we have to write a double set of parentheses. So we have 6x. And we look for factors of 10. 10 and 1, 5 or 2. So 10x and 1x, because this is a negative, 1 is negative, 1 is positive. All right? Now we look for factors of 27. 27 and 1, 9 and 3, and that's all there is. So now I'm going to try 27 here, 1 here, minus 27 plus 10 is minus 17. That doesn't work. So I try the 1 here, the 27 there, 270x minus, no, that doesn't work. So now I'm going to try the 9, 9 here, 3 here, plus 30 minus 9, that's not 3. And lastly, I tried the 3 here, the 9 here, 90 minus 3, no, that's not going to work either. So we have eliminated, rather quickly, 10 and 1 is an option. So now we have a 5x and a 2x. All right? And again, we have these combinations. 27 and 1, 135 minus 2, nope, not going to work. And 27 here, 1 here, minus 54 plus 5, not going to work. So erase those. As you see, having an eraser is definitely a help. And down to our last possible choice. The 9 goes here, or the 9 goes here. 9 and 3, minus 18 plus 15, minus 18x, plus 15x equals negative 3x. I want negative 3x. I'm good to go. I've got my final answer. All right? It's a little slower because you have more choices to make, but if you do it in a very organized fashion, you're not going to have a problem. It's a matter of trying and checking. The more you do this, and the more you practice, the easier it actually gets. All right, have a great rest of the weekend, and I'll see you on Monday. Take care. Go Packers!